Have you ever wondered how to start making money with cryptocurrency? Well, let's start at the beginning. Cryptocurrency, at its core, is a form of digital or virtual currency, leveraging cryptography for security. It operates independently of a central bank, making it a decentralized form of finance. The birth of cryptocurrency can be traced back to the year 2009, with the creation of Bitcoin by an anonymous entity known as Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin was a groundbreaking innovation, marking the start of a new era in the financial world. It was the first peer-to-peer payment system that eradicated the need for an intermediary, like a bank or a government. Fast forward to the present day, there are more than 5,000 different cryptocurrencies available worldwide. These digital assets have reshaped our perception of money and how it is exchanged. Now, why is cryptocurrency important in today's digital age? Well, with the rise of the internet, our world is becoming increasingly digital. Cryptocurrency fits right into this narrative, providing a fast, secure, and global form of currency. It provides a new way to transfer funds directly between parties via private and public keys. These transfers are secured with digital signatures, ensuring the safety of your assets. But here's the kicker. Cryptocurrency is not just a digital asset, it's also a potential source of income. Yes, you heard it right. You can earn from cryptocurrency in several ways, like trading, investing, mining, staking, and many more. The digital currency market is volatile, which means the value of cryptocurrencies can drastically fluctuate. While this volatility may seem intimidating, it also presents an opportunity for high returns if navigated correctly. In essence, cryptocurrency offers a new frontier in finance, with its own set of challenges and opportunities. It's a world where technology meets economy, creating a realm of possibilities. So, if you're curious about how to jump into this digital currency trend, stay tuned. We're just getting started and there's a whole lot more to explore. Now, the first step in this exciting journey is buying cryptocurrency. Imagine cryptocurrency as a ticket to a whole new financial universe. And to get this ticket, you need to buy some cryptocurrency first. But where do you start? Here's a simple guide. First things first, you need to choose a platform. Think of it as your digital marketplace. There are numerous platforms out there, each with their own unique features and benefits. Some popular ones include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. These platforms are user-friendly, making them great choices for beginners. Do your research, compare fees, security measures, and customer reviews before choosing the one that suits you best. Once you've chosen your platform, you'll need to create an account. This typically involves providing some basic information and completing a verification process. Remember, safety first. Always choose a strong password and enable two-factor authentication for additional security. Now that you're all set up, it's time to choose your cryptocurrency. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies available, but let's start with the basics. Bitcoin and Ethereum are the two most well-known and widely used cryptocurrencies. They're a safe bet for beginners, but don't limit yourself. Do your research and see which cryptocurrencies align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Buying the cryptocurrency is the next step. This is as simple as selecting the cryptocurrency you want, entering the amount you wish to purchase, and clicking Buy. You'll then be asked to confirm your purchase. Once confirmed, the cryptocurrency will be transferred to your digital wallet on the platform. But what if you don't want to spend a whole lot of money? No worries. You can buy a fraction of a cryptocurrency. For example, if one Bitcoin is too expensive, you can buy a smaller piece of it. This is known as fractional investing, and it's a great way to get started without breaking the bank. With your first cryptocurrency in your digital wallet, you're ready to step into the world of trading. Remember, this is just the beginning. The world of cryptocurrency is exciting and dynamic. There's always something new to learn and explore. So, buckle up and enjoy the ride. Trading cryptocurrency is where the real fun begins. Now that you've bought your first cryptocurrency, you might be wondering, what's next? Well, the answer is trading. But what exactly does it mean to trade cryptocurrencies? Trading cryptocurrency is similar to trading stocks. You buy a particular crypto at a low price and sell it when the price increases. The difference between the buying and selling price is your profit. Sounds simple, right? But wait, there's more to it. Cryptocurrency trading is divided into two main strategies: long-term trading and short-term trading. Long-term trading, also known as hodling, involves buying and holding onto a cryptocurrency for a considerable period, banking on the hope that its value will significantly increase over time. On the flip side, short-term trading, often called day trading, involves making multiple trades within a single day, capitalizing on the small price fluctuations that occur throughout the day. This strategy requires a lot of attention and quick decision-making skills, but it can yield high returns if done correctly. Now, let's look at some tips for successful trading. Firstly, it's crucial to stay informed. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and can change rapidly. Follow reputable news sources, join online forums, and consider using trading tools that provide real-time market updates. Secondly, never invest more than you can afford to lose. The high volatility of the cryptocurrency market means prices can plummet just as quickly as they can skyrocket. Thirdly, diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Invest in different cryptocurrencies to spread your risk. Lastly, have a clear trading plan. Define your investment goals, decide on a trading strategy, and stick to it. Emotional decisions can lead to significant losses. As you can see, trading can be a lucrative venture if done correctly, but there's one more thing we need to cover: storing your cryptocurrency. Storing your cryptocurrency safely is just as important as buying and trading it. Now that we've covered the ins and outs of buying and trading, let's dive into the crucial aspect of storage. Imagine cryptocurrencies as treasure chests filled with digital gold. You wouldn't leave your treasure out in the open, would you? The same logic applies to digital currencies. Proper storage ensures your crypto assets are safe from prying eyes, theft, and loss. There are several methods to store your digital currencies, and the right one for you depends on your specific needs. Let's begin with digital wallets, which are essentially software applications that allow you to store, send, and receive digital currencies. These wallets can be accessed from your computer or smartphone, offering convenience at your fingertips. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. If your device is compromised, so could your wallet. Therefore, it's essential to maintain good digital hygiene, like regular system updates and strong, unique passwords. If you're looking for an extra layer of security, hardware wallets might be your best bet. These are physical devices, similar to a USB drive, that store your cryptocurrencies offline, away from potential online threats. It's like having a personal digital vault. However, don't lose it, as recovery can be quite a complex process. Regardless of the storage method you choose, one golden rule applies: back up your wallet. This can be a lifesaver in case of device failure, theft, or loss. Also, remember to update your backups regularly to include new transactions. And there you have it. Storing your cryptocurrency isn't rocket science, but it does require thoughtfulness and careful management. With the right practices, you can safeguard your digital currencies and sleep peacefully, knowing your treasure trove is secure. With your cryptocurrencies safely stored, you're all set to navigate the world of digital currency. Now let's move on to the next exciting chapter: understanding the risks and rewards of cryptocurrency. Stay tuned. Like any investment, cryptocurrency comes with its own set of risks and rewards. Now, let's delve into the potential risks and rewards of trading in the digital currency space. One of the key rewards of cryptocurrency is its potential for high returns. You've probably heard stories of early Bitcoin adopters becoming millionaires overnight. Cryptocurrencies can indeed offer higher potential returns than traditional investments. However, this high reward potential is tempered by significant risk. The volatility of the crypto market is intense, with prices capable of dramatic swings in short periods of time. This can lead to substantial losses if you're not careful. Another risk is the lack of regulation and potential for fraud. Unlike traditional financial markets, the cryptocurrency market isn't regulated by any central authority. This can open the door to scams and fraudulent activities. On the flip side, the absence of regulation can also be a reward. It allows for greater privacy and freedom in transactions, appealing to those who prefer less governmental oversight. To minimize risks and maximize rewards, it's essential to do your due diligence. Research thoroughly before investing, diversify your portfolio to spread the risk, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Also, consider using secure and reputable platforms for your transactions, and always keep your digital wallets protected. Remember, with great risk comes great reward, but as always, invest wisely. So, are you ready to dive into the world of cryptocurrency? Today we've taken a journey through the basics of buying, trading, and storing digital currencies. We've also shed some light on the potential risks and rewards that come with this exciting financial frontier. Remember, knowledge is power in the world of cryptocurrency, so get out there and start making informed decisions. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Make Money online tips and tricks. Happy investing!